Hi, it's such a pleasure to be here with you. Could you take a minute to introduce yourself, please?
It's my pleasure. Thank you for having me. My name is Rita Saud. I am a member of the organizing committee, head of the organizing team, and I am DIAC events manager.
So we wanted to know what was the most challenging part about organizing this year's Dubai Arbitration Week?
Actually, Dubai Arbitration Week is getting bigger and bigger every year. This year, we have registered more than 146 events, and we for the Dubai Arbitration Week opening reception is getting more popular, and many people want to come. This year, we have registration over 1,600 people. So many of them were in the waiting list, and the challenging part that we want to accommodate everyone. We want everyone to share with us the joy and the atmosphere here. So we did our best trying to accommodate everyone, even the people who were in the waiting list and showed up. We tried to accommodate them. This was the challenge, but I believe that we had a lovely night. I hope so.
We did, definitely.
Thank you.
So another question would be, what makes, according to you, this year's Dubai Arbitration Week different from last year's?
Yes, I think Dubai Arbitration Week is getting better and bigger every year. And as I said, the number of events, organized events this year, last year we had 102 events. This year we had over 140 events, in particular 146 events, which is like huge number to organize an event in 1 week. And as I said, also the opening reception became more popular. So I think this is getting more popular and popular.
Okay, and last question, what's your favorite part about Dubai Arbitration Week?
My favorite part when like everyone will just share their photo at Dubai Arbitration Week and say that they had great event and they're looking forward for the next year event. So this will make us all celebrate the success of the Dubai Arbitration Week.
Thank you so much for your time, and I'm sure we will all be posting on LinkedIn about it. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for all your effort here, and we share this success with you because you are a huge part of it as our media partner, The Law. We thank you very much.